welcome back. And now let's finish making the chicken Kelaguen. Are you ready here?
Alright, let's do this.
Okay, so you need to squeeze a lot of lemon.
Oh,
so
yeah.
here, while I squeeze, you want to add like salt, pepper, and the ají just to give that right taste. Okay.
Just a little sprinkle. Alright.
You know, Chamorros, what they cook, they don't use measuring cups, measuring spoons. I don't know about your family, but my family, they taste it and make sure it's the right taste.
It's all in the eyes.
Right?
It's all in the eyes. I did not know until my dad actually went to Florida that there's about 3 or more different types of lemon on island. Lemon cocina,
They have
lemon
weird names.
curata, like original and it's cockroach, right? I honestly don't even know why it's called lemon curata. It's kind of
And lemon, what's the other one? Lemon
cocina.
cucina?
Yeah.
Doesn't cucina mean like dirty?
Yeah, exactly.
Girl? I guess.
So there's dirty girl lemon, cockroach lemon. I'm not sure. I can't remember the third one, but one of them is really good for lemonade. The other type, I believe it's this one that is really good for Jennie. And actually, the third type of lemon I've only found in Florida. I'm not super sure what's the name of it, but it's super hard to squeeze. There's very little juice.
Oh, I think that's like the local lime, right?
I think so. But the juice that comes out of that is
It's
the
very
best. It is the
strong.
best. Exactly.
You gotta like roll it first.
Exactly. You probably have to put it under your dog hair.
Yeah.
You gotta do your happy dance.
To soften it up, right?
Yeah.
You know, it's like
A lot of seasonings here. I just wanna see if we need some more. Because we can always put the seasonings in, but we cannot take it out.
yeah.
I learned that the hard way so many times. Like biting on a lemon
It's
seed.
bitter.
Exactly. I tried how many times, and the moment of night. I'm
Yeah.
like, oh god.
Let's add in the onions.
Alright.
Add in the onions.
Yeah, sure.
Cebolas, what we call it right here.
Yeah, so
Cebolas, and then this is cebolas golai. Weird.
yeah.
Like,
And
isn't it both golai?
yeah, golai means vegetables. So pretty much you're saying sabosas, onion, and then sabosas golai, which is
Green onions.
yeah, vegetable onion, green onion.